Hello everyone and welcome to this Buzzsprout versus Podbean comparison. Which one should you choose? Well, choosing the right hosting platform is crucial for your show's success. Today we're going in to focus on Buzzsprout versus Podbean. We'll break down the features, pricing, pros and cons of each to help you make the best decision. Ready to find your perfect match? Well, let's get started. We have the links to Buzzsprout and Podbean in the description so you can go ahead and have an easy access in order to begin. Now we're talking about the features. When it comes to the interface, Buzzsprout interface is user-friendly and straightforward, which is ideal for beginners. Podbean, on the other hand, is more complex but offers advanced controls. When it comes to analytics, Buzzsprout has a solid and reliable podcast statistics. Podbean, on the other hand, has a more comprehensive and in-depth analytics. If you're concerned about a mobile app, Buzzsprout has a mobile app for both Android and App Store. Podbean offers both iOS and Android apps. When it comes to distribution, both distribute to major platforms. When it comes to storage and bandwidth, depending on your plan, both Buzzsprout and Podbean do have unlimited storage options and generous bandwidth. Customer support. Buzzsprout has detailed tutorials, articles, live chat, and email. Podbean has an extensive knowledge base and 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat. When it comes to the pricing, Buzzsprout has a free plan, but it is limited to 2 hours of uploads per month, and these episodes are hosted for 90 days. The paid plans range from $12 to $24 per month, offering more upload hours and indefinite hosting. Podbean, on the other hand, has also a free plan that limits uploads to 5 hours per month and 100 GB of bandwidth. The paid plans range from $9 to $79 per month, offering unlimited storage and bandwidth along with advanced features. And now to the pros and cons, starting with Buzzsprout with the pros. Buzzsprout has easy and fast publishing processes, advanced podcast statistics, supports multiple podcasts, and customizable options. On the flip side, with the cons, Buzzsprout lacks native, robust monetization tools. It also has limited monthly upload hours, as Buzzsprout's paid plans restrict the number of new audio hours you can upload each month, which can be limiting for podcasters with high volume content production. Then Podbean with the pros has detailed and comprehensive analytics, embedded social media sharing features, multiple monetization options, customizable audio player, ability to stream live audio, and unlimited podcast publishing on paid plans. But on the flip side, the con is that Podbean's setup process can be complicated for new users. Choosing between Buzzsprout and Podbean really depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize ease of use and a straightforward interface, Buzzsprout is a great choice. If you need advanced features, detailed analytics, and multiple monetization options, Podbean might be a better fit. So, are you ready to take your podcast to the next level? Go ahead and explore both plans and find the perfect home for your show. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get started with Buzzsprout or Podbean today. If you found this comparison helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and also which service you will be choosing, and thanks for watching.